Hey guys, welcome to Potato Couch Productions Retro Rewind with your boy Ninja. We're about to do some toys I got from Target today. We got the Playmates line, the Mutations, my favorite Michelangelo and another Michelangelo. So I'm going to do the unboxing for the first one. It's the Michelangelo Ninja Turtle into weapon. So you had 4 turtles, Leonardo, Raphael, the other turtles, Leonardo, Raphael, Michelangelo, and Donatello. And of course, I'm gonna pick my boy Mikey. So basically, you transform your turtle into a nunchuck. So let's try to open it up and see what we can do here. Alright. Let's open this bad boy up. There we go. See my shirt? Turtles, yeah, that's how we do, yo. It's a nice day outside. I'm about to do a fair for the young kids up in the East Coast. So, I'm gonna open this up. Oh, there's a tape right here. Try to build this together with you guys. This is how we do it. Turtles. Alright. There we go. A lot of hidden compartments when you open these. Child safety. Alright. One more time. Boom. See? There's your boy Mikey right here. The head, the arms, nunchucks. She has 4 nunchucks. Got one big one in the back. So we'll put this aside for now. And take them out. Here. So you kind of have the instructions on how to do this. So you got him right here. Look at the articulation. It's like pretty much stiff, stale, but you know, 4 and up, you can put them apart. So how to build this is you take these 2 apart, and these are the other nunchuck, and then you have the nunchucks here. But I'll just put that away for now. So, what to do? You have the head, and so you put the foot inside. So see, for each one, you put the foot inside. Then you can rotate the flaps here. Let's see. There you go. Put the flap down, and you can rotate his head, and it flips after you put the other flap down. So you gotta make sure you put these 2 flaps down right here, left and right. Then Mikey will rotate. See? Bye. Booyakasha, or cowabunga, right? And you latch it. Latch, right? So that's 1. Okay, and then the next one, you do the same thing for this guy. See his head? So foot's already inside. You're gonna pull the sides right here. 1 and 2. Okay, rotate his head inside. Flip Mikey over. Close it. See? Close. Okay, and then you attach it to the next. You attach it to each other. See, you guys can see that. Bam. Oh. Of course, it's not that much mobile because it's only 1 hook, but it's still dope. Look at that, yo! Like, you got a nunchuck out of a toy. See, that's 1. This is 1 nunchuck. So I gotta build the other one. So here, do the same. What you do for this one? Oops. You pull this out. Right. You hide his hand in this little compartment. Put his hand away. Oh, no more hand. And the same here. So see his hand. There's a little compartment here. on the bottom. See? Pops right up. Put it up. Put his hand inside. Whoa! Aww. Hey, I'm gonna kick someone's butt now. Yeah, freaking latch it. Oh snap! The thing is, I would say this one is more of the color because it came from the back side. Easier to like put together because of the way it's made. But look at Michelangelo. But check this out too. This is Michelangelo, but he's a nunchuck now. So we got this bad boy right here, this bad boy right here. Freaking like, throw some apples at me, buddy. What? Check it out. So yeah, so these, you got these two. And just putting them back together is, let's put this aside. Take this out. Right, take it out. Latch him down. Remember, latch it down. This is the reverse. Flip. Right, to get Mikey's head like that. Put it up. Make sure his head's facing the shell. So head and shell. Okay, so one. So you do for the other side. Put this down. Right here. Down. Flip him upside down. If you smell the rock. See? Latch. Right? Should be able to match it up. So his head should be facing this way, like that. So when you lock it, it closes. But the thing is, I left the hand out because his hands open up here like this. Boom. Latch here, because remember the nunchucks in the back, they close like that. Oh, I have to unlock and latch this one. Unlatch. See? Unlatch. Close it. Right? So, because it goes in the back here. Attach it. We do the same for this one. Take his hand out. Oops. Oops. Close him in. So remember his nunchucks in the back. Back in. Pop him back in. So should be facing you guys. Right. So and then this one should be facing the other way. See, because the bottom has to be in the bottom. You just kind of latch it back together. And then actually, there you go. So these kind of trickier at the back. Maybe a strong 4-year-old kid. There you go. There you go. His hands. Mikey. Hello. Cowabunga, dude. Alright. So look at that figure.